Hi guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel.
I'm Emma.
She's joining us today to create the medicine ball,
Also known as
cold buster.
Yes, or citrus defender. It goes by many names, but going into cold and flu season, we thought that this would be a really good idea so you guys can learn how to make this drink at home.
So this is what you'll need. You'll need a cup.
Some lemonade.
The peach Tranquility Tea is what we use from Starbucks, but you could use any kind of peach tea.
Some Jade citrus mint tea. Again, you can use any kind, but we grab the stuff that Starbucks uses.
And some honey.
And that's it. So let's get started.
Make sure you have equal parts of water and lemonade. We're doing a cup today. So a cup of water and then a cup of lemonade. Now you're gonna boil your lemonade in water. We're just gonna put it on high so we can boil it a little bit faster. Once you have both your water and your lemonade boiling, then you can take it and put it into a cup. Ooh. Once you have your boiling water and lemonade, then you're gonna take each of the tea bags and you're gonna steep them into the tea. And then, depending on how sweet you want it, we're gonna add a drizzle of honey. I like my tea pretty sweet, so I'm gonna add quite a bit of honey. And then stir it again. And there you go, pretty simple. So we both tried our medicine ball tea.
Yes.
And Emma here is actually a barista of Starbucks. Is it barista approved?
Absolutely. It literally tastes exactly like if you were to go to an actual Starbucks and order the medicine ball. So that's it. Hope you guys like the video and enjoy your medicine balls.